Alright, this is a 1988 to 89 Lasko model 3713 20-inch box fan. Got this from my school today. You can hear why the motor kind of doesn't really sound all that great anymore. Medium speed sounds like it's going to actually give out of the motor pretty soon. It hums a lot and does not go any faster than low. It actually runs a little bit slower than low. This fan actually does not have a brand on it. It's not on the grills, and there's not one on the switch plate. Probably just a generic Walmart fan. Probably actually said Walmart on the box. Unlike my other gray bladed box fan like this, which actually says Lasko on it, which I gotta dig that thing out and get a better video of it. But yeah, this thing is gonna need some work. It's cool because this one is a newer one, but it's got the plastic motor in it still. So that's kinda neat. And it actually does not sound bad. It sounds like it just needs some oil in it and it's good to go. This thing's low. It's stupid fast though, because it's still got the motor that was with the deeper pitch of the older banana blades. Like, they had a deeper pitch with the ones that had the holes in the center. So that would make it have the normal low. When they put these light little blades on it, that don't have no pitch to them. The fan's got a really fast low speed that kind of sucks. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and look for a video of this fan all fixed up.